artists, welcome to my YouTube channel. मैं हूँ रिम्पी and today I am going to be sharing with you a very exciting video because today I will be trying out a new medium for the first time. So I will be trying the gouache paints for the first time, and this gouache paint was actually one of the gifts that I received on my birthday. And uske saath I also received a journal as well as some new paint brushes. So I will be using this journal and these paint brushes for the gouache paint. So let's go. Just have a look at these beautiful vibrant colors. I'm in love with these colors. Time to unbox the acrylic spiral journal by ZenSangam, and I was so glad that when I opened the journal there were so many stickers, and these stickers were so motivational and inspirational. I'm definitely going to stick them in my desk. Well, now it's time to paint, but honestly I don't know what to paint. Well, I ended up sketching this cute cat couple, and it's time to paint. I will be using the number 1 and number 8 round brush, and here I'm taking all the colors. I'm taking yellow ochre, phthalo green, ultramarine blue, a little bit of titanium white, then a little bit of black, and I'm starting to paint. I will keep quiet now and you enjoy the painting process. Gouache paints have literally become my new favorite. That's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. और अगर आपको ये video पसंद आया हो and if you have learned something new, so please drop a like, share and subscribe to my channel. वैसे तो मेरा channel बहुत ही छोटा सा है, but if you subscribe to my channel, it will mean a lot to me. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.